Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to set up a secure and private VPN connection using VPN Gate servers with the SoftEther VPN client on Android. Whether you're working remotely, browsing over public Wi-Fi, or simply looking to improve your digital privacy, this tutorial will help you get started safely and easily. This video is intended purely for educational purposes and aims to promote secure internet practices while staying fully compliant with local laws and YouTube's guidelines. So without further delay, let's jump into the full setup process. Step 1. The first step is to install the VPN Gate app on your Android smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type VPN Gate. From the results, look for an app titled VPN Gate Free VPN SoftEther Project or something similar. Make sure it has good user ratings and is published by a trusted developer. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. Once you launch the VPN Gate app, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. On the main screen, you'll find a list of VPN servers provided by volunteers from around the world. These servers are made available for testing and research purposes. Each server displays the following details: server country region like Japan, South Korea, or the US. Current server load or traffic. Estimated connection speed. Uptime or server status. On the side menu, you may also see optional features like VPN Gate Pro, but for this video, we'll stick to the free servers. They're completely sufficient for secure browsing. Step 3. Now let's connect to one of the available servers. Scroll through the list and select a server based on its location or speed. Tap on the server you prefer. A pop-up will ask for permission to establish a VPN connection. Tap OK or Allow to continue. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation message or a VPN icon on your notification bar. This means you're now connected. Your internet traffic is being routed through an encrypted VPN tunnel, giving you a temporary new IP address and better protection online. Step 4. To make sure the VPN connection is working correctly, follow these steps. Tap the Check IP or Verify IP option in the app if available. This will open your browser and take you to an IP lookup website. The page will display your current IP address and location. If the IP address shown is different from your actual one and matches the VPN server region, it means your connection is secure and active. This step is optional but recommended for peace of mind. Before wrapping up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. VPN Gate servers are public and volunteer-based, which means availability and speed may vary. For better performance, try to choose servers closer to your actual location. VPN Gate is meant for educational and research purposes only. It's not a commercial VPN provider. Always use VPNs responsibly, in accordance with your local laws and the terms of service of any platforms or apps you access. This tutorial is meant to empower users with safer internet habits, nothing more. And that's it. You've now successfully set up a free, secure, and private VPN connection on your Android device using VPN Gate. With just a few simple steps, you've taken a powerful step toward protecting your digital identity and staying safe while using public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or simply browsing the web, this method is a great way to add an extra layer of security for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. Share it with friends or family who might benefit from safer internet habits. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update on VPN guides, privacy tools, and more tech tips. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay private, and I'll see you in the next video.